Hello again, everybody. This is Mia Shana. We have another job which is scheduled for interview tomorrow, February 28. That will be Wednesday. This is actually a distribution of tires, and this is a car factory, tires and wheels. So the main job for this will be sales. The company has its import and export business. So we're looking for 3 people for this, and the job location will be in Arakawa Ward in Tokyo. So if you are willing to apply for this, the salary for this will be starting from 220,000 yen, and there will be a bonus also. So if you are willing to apply for this, this is scheduled for interview Wednesday, tomorrow. The interview location will be in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So if let us know if you are willing to apply for this. For other jobs, we do have other jobs which is scheduled for interview every day. We are open from Monday to Sunday. You can also call our office number at 03620688058. If you have a problem with your visa, we do have a visa support or visa change also. So let us know if you are willing to apply for this job. Thank you.